haven't started recording yet.
Oh, look, he's going to come. Oh, there you go. Oh, he's going to go over the fence. He's going to land on the fence. Watch him. Woo!
Come on, Mom.
No, I'm watching Frankie land. I'm not
Okay.
going nowhere till Frankie comes down.
Mommy, my little friend's stuck on the wall. I climbed up there with him. Staying here until Frankie falls. Where is he? I don't see him.
He's right over there.
With the blue and pink?
Yep, blue and pink.
She's really stuck. She's trying. She can't get down.
Hey, we'll do it during night jumps. Yeah. That might be interesting.
No, you don't get up there anymore because you can't get down.
Where is he? I can't see him.
Right there, Emmy.
And
Right there.
he's way up high. How could he hold on to that?
They got him hooked up to the other guy. Can you see him yet?
Mm-hmm.
You can?
Is he
Oh, we're not
waving?
close.
Oh, I can see him.
He's giving him a ride, ain't he?
Yeah.
Look at that
I can see
spin.
him. Woo! Ah, look at us spin!
Frankie! Frankie!
I lost him now. There he is. I got him.
I want to see, Mommy. I want to see.
See if you can find him.
I can't see him.
Don't go up so high.
I see him.
You see him?
He's so funny. Look at him. How do you think Frankie will land with his parachute?
Look at it go. Look at it go. He's turning.
Frankie, drop! Frankie!
No, it doesn't drop.
I'm having to drop.
Huh?
I've been trying to make the beer line ever since.
Where's Frankie? And the right over there.
Right there in the blue stripe with the pink stripe. See him in the
Blue
blue
and
and
pink.
pink stripe. Here he comes.
Ah!
Come on, Frankie!
Get out, Brooke.
Come on!
Oh, damn it. Lost him.
Get him, get him, get him. You see him?
Yeah.
I need to get out of here.
Woo! Woo! There's mud up your butt. Awesome!
Damn, what people would walk right in between.
Did you hear him? Oh, they're walking in the middle. Ah!
What the? Lost him. Damn.
Woo! Well, damn, he did it.
All the way down, huh?
All the way down. You did it, Frankie. Here comes the airplane! Get out of the way! Frankie! Plane! bothering him. Dang it, man, I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do that.
Did he have a helmet on?
Uh-uh.
Huh?
No.
I wanted to try on a helmet.
I don't think any of them wore a helmet, honey.
Frank, give me a thumbs up, man.
Frankie!
Give me a thumbs up.
Give me a thumbs up!
I see his thingy. It's blue. I see his helmet. It's blue.
Oh, he did have a helmet on. The other dude did.
I'll buck up $250, man. I tell you what, that was the best $250 I ever seen.
Ah!
I hear you, man.
I'm next.
I'm next.
Uh-uh. Ladies before gentlemen.
Are you really gonna go, Mama?
I do too. Oh, Hush Baby gave me a ride,
I
baby.
know it. I watched them make you go in circles. You're lucky you didn't get puke on your face.
You're next. Ain't no puke on my face.
I am next. I am next. Ladies before gentlemen. I go before anybody else.
Baby, I love that stuff, man. Woo, baby. Hey, baby, I love that, boy. Hey, when you get older. When you get older, hey, we gonna have to give the pilot his camera and his helmet.
Wait, let her try it on. She's gonna wait.
Hey Frank, just step up.
All right, there you go.
Just step in here and we'll get you out of that gear.
All right, give it back to me, baby. I gotta go get my dilly and stuff. I love it. Hey, I'll be right back.
Wait, Ian.